Penpot is an open-source design and prototyping tool designed for teams to collaborate on UI or UX design in a collaborative workspace. It supports vector-based design, enabling designers to create and prototype web and mobile applications efficiently. Whether you're a designer, developer, or part of a creative team, Penpot provides powerful features to streamline your design workflow. Getting started with Penpot. Sign up. Visit the Penpot website and sign up for a free account. You can also self-host the application if preferred. Installation. Penpot is browser-based, meaning you can access it through supported web browsers. Interface overview. Design canvas, the main area where you create designs and prototypes. It offers a flexible workspace for vector-based design. Toolbox, found on the left side, providing tools for shapes, text, layers, and more. Properties panel. Located on the right side, it allows you to adjust properties such as colors, borders, and alignment. Prototype mode. Used for connecting designs with interactive elements like buttons, transitions, and animations. Creating designs, shapes, and elements. Use basic shapes like rectangles, circles, lines, and custom paths. You can adjust colors, gradients, and borders. Text. Add text boxes and customize fonts, sizes, and styles to match your design aesthetic. Layers. Manage design elements by organizing them into layers for better project management. Collaboration features. Team collaboration. Penpot allows teams to collaborate on projects, share designs, and provide real-time feedback. Version control. Track changes to designs and revert to previous versions if needed. Commenting. Leave comments directly on the design for feedback and collaboration. Prototyping and exporting. Prototyping. Add interactive elements such as buttons, links, and transitions to make your designs more interactive. Export. Once your design is ready, export as PNG, SVG, or other formats for development or further use.